Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tash here. I am here today with my Boxycharm base box unboxing for January 2022. If you want to see this look, I actually did this in my Boxycharm premium unboxing and try on, which will already be up, so check out that video. For those of you that are returning, thank you so much for being here again. I am so grateful for all of you. Without you guys, this would not be happening, and I so appreciate you being here, tuning in for the video, supporting me. So thank you so very much. It does mean a huge thing to me. I did recently do a giveaway for when I hit 50. When I hit 100, I will do another big giveaway, so please continue to subscribe. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I do unboxings, I do try-ons, reviews, all of those things. So please click the subscribe button so you're notified of my next video. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the box. So Boxycharm Premium was a hit this month. Let's see what the base box looks like. So Boxycharm base box, January 2022, theme is refresh. And again, really talking about refreshing products, all of those new things. It is a little bit different than the theme for, than the theme for the premium, because the theme for the premium was better beauty, which I think is interesting, a little bit of a different thing. So the first product I have here is Dragon Beauty. And so this is a lip job liner and sharpener. Retail value $18. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra long lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips needle free. Oh, that didn't really make sense to me. Sorry, I couldn't even read that. Keep your lip job liners on point with a single blade Dragon Beauty logo sharpener. So it does have both. It has the shade, which is on top. It is in the shade, I don't know. Let's open it up first and see. It is a darker shade for me, kind of more of a brown shade, if that is the actual color. And there should be a sharpener in here as well. Dragon Beauty is cruelty-free, which I do appreciate. I'm looking for something to help me open this up. And so there is the sharpener. I do appreciate that it is enclosed, so you can pull it open and empty it out after you're done, so it keeps all the shavings right in there. Logo on top. Lip pencil is long. It is a wooden pencil. There is the color, and let's go ahead and swatch it. So it is kind of a browny beige color, which is nice. It is creamy, which I appreciate. So we will do a try on with all of these things later on in the month. So first product, again, retail value $18. Next product in here is by Aesthetica. And this actually is a big contour cream kit from them. Retail value is $30. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It is all cream-based products, and you can mix them. They do include instructions in here for you. If I can get all of this open, there's packaging on top of packaging. It does come in a nice box. It has the instructions here so you know how and what to do with all of your products, and even gives you some suggestions for how to contour and shade your face depending on your face shape. And then the products themselves are in a nice container. You can depot them pretty easily if you need to. There is the place where you do it. It does have a cool little cover with a face on it. And then, of course, here is that beautiful mirror. Again, I'm not going to swatch these. These are really nice, though, for cream shades. They're a little bit thicker, so you wouldn't want to use them under your under eye, but you could use them to cover a blemish, those kind of things, as well as to contour and bronze tour if you want to do that. Again, cruelty-free, which I do appreciate, and I do really like all of the information that they give you in here. Again, it does make a difference how you contour your face based on your face shape. So cool, nice product right there. Definitely a staple product for sure. The next product that I have in here is by Pure, and let's see what this is. This is the fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Retail value $22. That is interesting. So this is powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. That is pretty interesting and some pretty big claims there, if I don't say so myself. I'm going to go ahead and at least open it up and see what it looks like. I have a billion mascaras open, but we might have to do a billion and one. Very simple packaging here. It is just a black tube with the Pure logo in white. I am going to open this up because I will absolutely try this when we do the next box because all of those claims sound amazing. It is a very long size, short bristles, so they don't come out very far. They are pretty stiff bristles, and you can see the brush is not super coated there. So that'll be interesting to see how that actually works. It does have a nice click there, so you know that it is closed completely, which I do also. So far, this is an impressive box. The next product that I see in here is a full palette. This is by, I said that really weird, didn't I? Palette. This is by Wander Beauty. This is their Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette, retail value $42. It says featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rose hip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease proof for all day wear. All of that sounds amazing. Again, I love all of the claims of these products that we have in here. They are some pretty big claims to live up to. I'm opening it with my grandmother's. Funny how little things that you keep. This is my grandmother's letter opener. Anyways, let's bring this out here if I can get it out of the packaging. Beautiful front, just like the box, which I do appreciate there. It is a cardboard packaging. It does have a magnetic closure, a very pretty mirror there, and then here are the shades. Nice big pans, which I appreciate. This is actually a shimmer. They have quite a few shimmers in here. So these three are shimmers. That one is, that one is, that one is. Whether they're metallic or satin, I'm not sure of. And then you have several mattes. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these. So this is actually a, wow, that is nice and buttery soft. So soft. Very pretty there. Very smooth. This is a matte. They are not as silky, which I'm surprised by considering all of the things that are in it. I'm going to swatch it right underneath. Nice and smooth on the skin though. Of course, they'll swatch differently on the eye. I really want to see what this one looks like. This will be more of a metallic. And that is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, nice and smooth and pretty. I want to try another matte up here and see if this one's different. This is a darker brown. It does feel a little smoother than that one and is much more pigmented. That one's beautiful. So maybe this one's just a little jank. Nice colors. I love that blue. We'll have to try and do a look with that. So nice palette, nice, quite a few shades. We get a couple pop of color in here, but not much. Basically kind of a brown neutral palette there. The very last product that I have in here is by Earth Harbor. And so this is the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. That's my boxer. She has a squeaky pig that she plays with, and that's her squeaking the pig. That means she's very happy. At any rate, retail value for this, $38. It says that this has sea fruits and tropical super berries. Melt across your face with this balm. They insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. Retail value $38. Again, it is cruelty-free, so this entire box has been a box of cruelty-free products, which I love. Here is, typically Earth Harbor is a pretty expensive brand. Here is the packaging. It is plastic, although it feels like it should be glass. It is sealed, which I do also appreciate. We're going to go ahead and open it. And the balm is a weird dried right there. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Maybe that's just the top there. But that even flaked on me. That's some funky looking stuff there. I might get rid of that top of that. Here, let's get rid of that top of that. Because that does not look dewy and creamy. That looks flaky and gross. Making a mess. All I'm doing is making a mess. Okay, as I have it on my skin, even though it is flaky in the jar, once it hits the heat of my skin, it is melting into a nice balmy texture there. It smells like apricots. It smells like apricots and peaches and different fruits. Oh, that smells so good. If you are allergic to scents or if you are allergic to certain fruits, I would definitely avoid this, but I absolutely will try that. That feels very, very moisturizing. That little bit is just covering my entire hand here. We're going to put it on both hands, even though I have some eyeshadow there. But that is the box. I, again, am impressed with another good box. Way to go. Great start for January 2022, Boxycharm. Way to go. What did you get that you wish you would have gotten something else? Drop me a line. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.